Hello and welcome to this new video on how to map OneDrive as a network drive. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and when you have opened the web browser of your choice, you just have to go to the search bar and type OneDrive, and the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, and after that a interface will be shown to you. You just have to click on that sign in button and you have to sign in them with your information. And when you have signed in successfully and this interface is shown to you, you just have to look on the search bar, and as you can see there will be a CID number. So you just have to copy the CID number, and now you have to go back to the My PC, and in My PC there will be map network drive. So you just have to click on that map network drive option, and when you are inside the map network drive option, you just have to choose the letter for the drive, and after that you just have to enter the CID number that we have currently copied, and after that you just have to follow through the processes and you will be able to map OneDrive as a network drive. So this is how you can easily map OneDrive as a network drive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.